Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back in North Dakota for an off-series video of the Bismarck Expressway. We begin on I-94 heading east and exit onto the east end of the I-94 business loop, which is the east end of the Bismarck Expressway. We'll only follow I-94 business for a short distance before it turns west and goes through the center of town. This is just east of where most of the development in Bismarck ends, but the city seems to be expanding in this direction. At Main Avenue, the business loop heads east and the unsigned State Highway 810 begins. Here, the expressway turns to the west and will be passing on the south side of the city. There is some suburban development to the south, which is to our left, and the Bismarck Airport is also located south of the Bismarck Expressway on State Highway 1804. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. On the right at 7th Street is the Kirkwood Mall, the second largest mall in North Dakota. Opened in 1970, the mall's anchor stores are I. Keating's Furniture and Flooring, Ashley Home Store, Scheels All Sports, J.C. Penney, and Target. There's one vacant anchor store that was once Herberger's. At South Washington Street, the road begins to look more like an expressway with no more at-grade crossings and a higher speed limit. We cross the Missouri River on the appropriately named Expressway Bridge and enter the city of Mandan in Morton County. The opening of this bridge in 1985 marked the completion of the Bismarck Expressway. This exit, which is only labeled Bismarck Mandan, is the Mandan half of the I-94 business loop. At the on-ramp ahead is where the unsigned I-194 begins. I-194 has been appearing on some maps as far back as 1982, but was approved by the State Highway Department as North Dakota's lone urban interstate route in 1958 to connect I-94 with what was at the time U.S. Highway 10. This short spur of I-94 is just over 1 mile long. The Bismarck Expressway comes to an end here at I-94, and this concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.